Yes, a very good afternoon. Right. So, how are all of you? Good, great, okay. Right, so first question I think which I should ask at the beginning of the batch is, when is your attempt? May 17, November 17, okay. By any chance, anybody has written November 16 and thought, okay, better I prepare again before I get the result? Okay, that could also be the case. Okay, right. So what made you thought of coming for a class for audit? 12:30 in the afternoon, having good food and then relaxing for some time, and then you've taken the effort, the decision to come and sit for a class in the afternoon, 12:30 to 3:30 every day for next 35 days. So, ऐसा what pinch have you got for audit के it made you come and sit here in the class? Why IPCC troubled you?
Opportunity cost of sleeping at 12 to 3 is a very big one, 6 months.
I know, exactly. And at least if you sleep in the class, listening to a theory subject, something sleep talk, at least something will go into the brain. You understand, no? Even though if you listen over here, so it's a better utilization, no? Rather than sleeping at home, you can sleep in the class. Aisa? Okay, yes. What else? Because I think your seniors, some of them, now the mindset has changed, कि काफ़ी seniors, they give an advice, audit हो जाता है self से, class करने का काम नहीं होता है, हाँ, that's why ना वो shift आ रहा है अभी, people are realizing that, जैसे keypad phone से smartphone पे सब shift हो गए ना, वैसे for audit also, from self study to classroom study, students have shifted. Why? What do you know about audit? मतलब इतना पता है कि CA फाइनल ग्रुप 1 में 100 मार्क्स है, इसके अलावा बेसिक प्रॉब्लम ऐसे है. अच्छा, कितने ऐसे हैं? अराउंड 40, अराउंड, ओके. और ऐसे के अलावा और SRE भी है, ओके. नहीं हुआ. बैंक, इंश्योरेंस, NBFC, cooperative, you couldn't do it on your own.
Those small topics are okay, but the technical one, essays, like some of them said, and then professional misconduct and all that, no matter how much I say, nothing goes in the head.
Nothing goes into the brain. And you've got the earlier book for May 17. Now we've just, I think it's in the printer right now, the book. You're getting the new book. Yeah, they might not be aware, but we've incorporated the November 16 question paper also in the book with the answers. So you're getting the latest one, except for RTP May 17, everything is there in the book. Okay, right. So you've realized. Okay, right. So it's very, very important, to do a class for audit. The view which you get by studying on your own and the understanding of the subject which you develop in the class, there is no comparison between the two. The manner in which you write the answers, the way in which you link the standards. At least, one pakka advantage of doing the class is you at least come to know what all is there in the syllabus. बाकी और कुछ हो ना हो, क्लास के बहाने इतना पता चलता है कि ये है syllabus में पर मुझे आता नहीं है, at least वहाँ तक पहुँच जाते हैं. You understand? No, you come to know. So at least the first whitewash of the subject that happens in the class. Okay, the size of this book has been increasing, it's becoming fatter and fatter day by day. But the advantage of it becoming fatter, even though if it has become, is that now suggested RTP, practice manual, accounting standard ka case studies, it's like a one-stop solution for the entire subject of audit. You understand? Entirely, all your suggested RTPs, all practice manual questions, I can tell you 95 or 96% has been incorporated into this book. So rather than studying so many different books, it's better enough to study only one book. Okay, right? Then intentionally, I speak in the class in English. To some extent, I also speak in Hindi. The reason why I speak in English in the class is we have to write the paper in English. So, even though if you understand in Hindi, and in the exam hall you remember also in Hindi, how will you do live translation of Hindi into English? So that becomes difficult. And वो ही ना, एक दो दिन वो बोलते हैं ना वेव लेंथ मैच होने को कभी टाइम लगता है, तो ऐसा मेरे साथ भी हो सकता है आपका कि 1 or 2 days here and there, but be patient before you form any opinion as such. Okay, right. So we're 35 days batch, as you know, yes, and we'll be covering the entire syllabus, the entire 20 chapters, and 21st chapter is on the case studies in the book. Okay, so first part of your syllabus, if you have a look at it, it is actually called as the engagement and quality control standards. What is it called as? Engagement and quality control standards. If you look at the title of chapter 1 in your books, this is the title, EQCS, Engagement and Quality Control Standards. Then, as a chartered accountant, as a practitioner, what are the types of engagements which you can perform? One, you can do an audit. Second, you can do a review. Third, other than audit and review, you can do some other assurance ka engagement. Audit and review is your main bread and butter. But other than audit review also, you can do some other assurance engagement. And other than assurance ka work, you can also do some related services. Like, sometimes your client may appoint you to prepare their financial statements. Generally, they prepare and they tell us to audit. But in some cases, they may tell you, okay, you only compile for us the financial statements. So that will come under related services. And then whatever be the engagement that you are performing, whether audit, whether review, whether assurance, or whether related services, there has to be quality in the services provided by the CA firm. You understand, no? Say you've set up your own practice and you're doing audits of listed companies, or if you're doing reviews of financial information, there should be quality in the work which is done by the firm. So for that, we have the quality control standard. Audit, you have to do it in accordance with the standards on auditing. Review, you have to do it in accordance with the standards on review engagement. Assurance, other than audit and review, you have to do it in accordance with the standards on assurance engagement. And related services, like I told you, compilation, you have to do it in accordance with SRS, that is the standards on related services. And in addition to this, you have one SQC, that is standard on quality control. So in total, we have 46 engagement and quality control standards. So how many standards for CA final audit? We have 46. Out of that, 38 are standards on auditing. So the major chunk is standards on auditing. That is why we think it is all standards on auditing. It's like, Colgate and toothpaste, mineral water and Bisleri, that type. We end up saying essays only, standards on auditing. But actually the title is engagement and quality control standards. Out of that, one major type is essays. That is 38 essays, 2 standards on review engagement, 3 standards on assurance engagement, 2 standards on related services, and 1 quality control standard. Right, 1 quality control standard, right? So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 38 plus 8. So that comes to 46 engagement and quality control standards. Right, so first what we are going to study in the class is this 46 engagement and quality control standards. You understand what are the 46 standards that I am talking about? Does everybody understand what am I talking about? And 38 standards on auditing, 2 standards on review, 3 on assurance, 2 on related services, and 1 quality control standard. If I just want to briefly tell you which are the standards which are newly introduced and which are the standards which are revised, I'll just make a note of that over here. So the standards start with SA, no? So SE 260, that's the number, 260. It's under that group, communication with TCWG. In case if at IPCC you did not leave standards an option. You understand now? I always teach standards at CA final with a realistic assumption that at IPCC you would have left the standards an option. You understand, no? Certainly yes, I think. And even if you might have studied, you might have forgotten by now. IPCC audit matlab kya? Vouching verification. Preliminary expenses, how rental receipts, purchase, sales, return and all. And then hotel, hospital, educational institution, cinema hall, NGO, charitable institution. फिर उसके अलावा एक दो इधर उधर का जो बहुत बार आया हुआ है एग्जाम में वो एक 4, 5, 10, 12 क्वेश्चन कर लिया है ना, ऐसा जुगाड़ है ना, करके finished, you know. But that doesn't work. Okay, IPCC audit paper is so small, all direct questions, no case studies over there. And final audit, if you look at question number 1 only, it starts with 4 case studies over there. Understand? So one SE 260, ये एक पूरा set ही है. 260, 700, 701, 705, 706 and 570. These 6 standards have been revised and they are applicable with effect from 1st April 2017. Right, so these 6 standards, they have been revised. Or okay, these have been revised: 260, 700, 705, 706 and 570. And 701 is a new standard which has been introduced. अगर आपने सुना होगा तो अभी तक ऑडिट रिपोर्ट में आपने एम्फेसिस ऑफ मैटर, अदर मैटर, ऐसा कुछ सुना होगा. अभी 701 को और एक मैटर याद आया, की ऑडिट मैटर. You understand? So 701 is regarding key audit matters. So that's a new standard. बाकी rest of these standards are revised. इसके अलावा जो standards revise हुए हैं, एक 610 using the work of internal auditors, 2400 engagements to review financial statements, historical financial statements, 4410 engagements to compile, यानी कि compilation engagements. Right, and then one more new standard which has been issued is 3420, which is regarding the pro forma financial information included in the prospectus. ज़्यादा कुछ समझ नहीं रहा होगा मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ उसमें से, but just as a glimpse, I'm giving you an idea. You understand? So these are again 3 standards which have been revised. You understand? And these 2 are new standards. 701. Oh, sorry. Right, एक तो ये 701 and दूसरा ये 3420. Okay, these are 2 new standards which have been issued, which are incorporated into the books, and the rest of these standards, they have been revised. Right, so 260, 700, 705, 706, 570, 610, 2400, 4410. Right, 2400 is SRE 2400, 4410 is SRS 4410. Right, so what we are going to study in the class are these 46 engagement and quality control standards. Then after that, as somebody said, you know, guilty of professional misconduct or not. So that's professional ethics. Right, in which again we have 34 clauses of ethics. Yes, so we have to study these 34 clauses of ethics, you know, wherein as a chartered accountant in practice, as a chartered accountant in service, what is allowed, what is not allowed, when are you guilty, when are you not guilty, that's given, you know, in the code of ethics over there. Iske baad you have CARO 2016. You understand, in which coincidentally there are 16 clauses. CARO 2016, and then there are 16 clauses over there. Right, so that's the next entry, you know, that's CARO 2016. Already November 16, they've asked one question on CARO, the new CARO. You know, 4-mark question they've put in your paper. Right, so CARO 2016. Then I think those of you who are not doing dummy articleship would be knowing tax audit form 3CD. You understand now? How many clauses in form 3CD? 41 clauses over there. Right, so this is just a glimpse. Okay, one, we have 46 standards to be studied, then 34 clauses of ethics, then 16 clauses of CARO, then 41 clauses of Form 3CD. You know, that's the tax audit which we have. Okay, then other than engagement, quality control standards, ethics, CARO, then we have company audit. Okay, November 16 paper, they've asked some 16 marks or 20 marks of company audit in your paper. Company accounts and audit. They've put a lot of questions from the Companies Act in the audit paper this time. Right, so you have company audit. Okay, so I just have an analysis of the past exam papers to be shown to you. You understand? These are the chapters as per our books. ये जो मैंने यहाँ लिखा है ना, engagement, are you able to see? Engagement and quality control standards, ethics, CARO, ये अपने book का sequence है. You know, of the chapters, okay? And if you look at this question number 1, which is on the standards, engagement and quality control standards. So 28 marks asked in November 16, then 32 marks in May 16, 44 marks, 30 marks, 53 marks. November 14 paper, if you see, you know, 85 marks has been asked from these 3 topics, standards, ethics and CARO. 85, मतलब लोग, बहुत सारे लोग तो 85 मार्क्स का पेपर अटेम्प्ट करते हैं. You understand now, has been asked from these three topics. But again, yeah, 28, 26, 32, 29, 33. This has been the lowest asked of standards. November 2011, only 11 marks asked on standards. You understand? Then after that, May 2011. Okay, so on an average, if I take off these first 4 chapters, EQCS, Ethics, Caro and Companies Act 2013, on an average 60 marks is asked from these 3 topics in the exam. Yeah, 4 topics in the exam. Which are the 4 topics I'm talking about? Standards, ethics, Caro and company accounts and audit. And then we have that question number, last chapter, which is on case studies. Okay, now this exam I told you, 16 marks they asked from company audit also. And then you have that case studies ka chapter. Now number 16 they did not ask anything, but 12 marks, 4, 6, 9, 13. Sometimes, ये question number 1 generally किस पे आता है? Auditing standards ना. Question number 1 जो आता है, standards on auditing में आता है. November 16 में भी question number 1, which is compulsory, 20 marks has been asked from standards. In this attempt, you know what they did? Which is this attempt, May 13. Question number 1, which is compulsory, all 4 questions from accounting standards. So sometimes, it may happen that all 4 questions are coming from accounting standards, या 2 from accounting standards, 2 from essays. And right now, अगर आप trend देखने जाए, तो 4 questions are asked from the standards only. फिर ethics is a very consistent performer, 16 marks, except for November 14 where they asked 20 marks. Question number 7 में short note भी आ गया था उसका, तो इसीलिए it became 20 marks. Otherwise, ethics is like 16 marks, very, very scoring part of CA final audit paper. Right, and the rest, abhi ye exam mein, if you know the chapters, these are the chapters, banks, insurance company, cooperative society. You understand, jaise IPCC mein you had hotel, hospital, educational institution, वैसे यहाँ पे you have bank, insurance, cooperative, NBFC, tax audit, special audit, PSU, CIS audit. So see, insurance company 8 marks, cooperative societies 8 marks. स्टूडेंट्स का क्या होता है, बाय द टाइम दे फिनिश स्टैंडर्ड एथिक्स कारो पसीना छूट जाता है ना. बाय द टाइम यू कम टू दीज टॉपिक्स, यू स्टार्ट लर्निंग, इट्स ऑलरेडी द डे ऑफ द एग्जाम इज कमिंग क्लोजर, अकाउंट्स एफएम का ऑलरेडी वाट लगी हुई रहती है. सो यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू जस्टिस टू दीज टॉपिक्स. एंड देन सी ना, एंड एक्चुअली वेरी स्कोरिंग. मतलब अगर कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी का चैप्टर देखने जाए तो वो टोटल चैप्टर में 10-15 क्वेश्चन होंगे. 10-15 से अगर एक भी क्वेश्चन आता है तो रेशियो एनालिसिस वेरी गुड ना, 1:15. स्टैंडर्ड्स का 46 स्टैंडर्ड्स, 40 स्टैंडर्ड्स लेने दो मुझे, 40. ऑन एन एवरेज हर एक स्टैंडर्ड में से 5 क्वेश्चन तो रहेंगे ऑन एन एवरेज. तो 40 into 5, 200. आउट ऑफ 200 दे विल आस्क एनी 4 क्वेश्चंस और एनी 5 क्वेश्चंस. और उसमें भी बोलने को ऐसा है कि स्टैंडर्ड का क्वेश्चन है, पर हर अटेम्प्ट में नए क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं. So that doesn't mean, what, there is nothing leaving anything, nor studying anything more. What you have to do is weighted average. You have to give equal importance. मतलब क्या है, जो standards की कमी रहती है वो remaining syllabus मतलब क्या, standards, ethics, caro, company audit छोड़ के, जो remaining syllabus में नहीं जमता है उतना तुम standards में लिख देते हो. ऐसा करके it gets balanced. Understand? Look at the format of the paper. You understand now, question number 1 छोड़ दो. Say let me come to question number 3, question number 4. I'm just creating on my own. Say question number 3A is on bank audit. Question number 3B is on Caro 2016. Question number 3C is on NBFC. And question number D is on company audit. Say all 4 marks question. Then here question number 4 is on 4A is on insurance company audit. Say B is on SA. C is on, say, public sector undertakings. And say D is again on Caro. Now, what is the pattern of the paper if you know? Question number 1 is compulsory. Answer any 5 from the remaining 6 questions. उसमें भी क्या होता है? Question number 1 compulsory. फिर एक कोई तो question ethics का होता है. मैं ऐसे अंदाज से 2 नंबर ले रही हूँ. कोई तो एक होता है जो एथिक्स होता है, तो वो तो हम लोग पक्का अटेम्प्ट करते ही है. आउट ऑफ 10 पेपर्स 9 अटेम्प्ट्स में ऐसा हुआ है या 8 अटेम्प्ट्स में ऐसा हुआ है कि एथिक्स के जो 4 क्वेश्चन रहते हैं वो एक ही क्वेश्चन में आए हैं. पर 2 अटेम्प्ट में ऐसा भी हुआ है कि एथिक्स के जो 4 क्वेश्चन है वो डिवाइड हो गए पेपर में, स्कैटर हो गए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में 2 एथिक्स का क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में 1 एथिक्स का क्वेश्चन और क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में 1 एथिक्स का क्वेश्चन। तो हम लोग एथिक्स के भरोसे जाते हैं तो कभी कभी वो भी धोखा हो जाता है पेपर में। You understand now? तो से क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज ऑन एथिक्स, फिर क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 इज ऑन राइट शॉर्ट नोट्स ऑन। वहां पे एक इंटरनल ऑप्शन होता है ना, राइट शॉर्ट नोट्स ऑन एनी 4 आउट ऑफ 5। तो टोटल आपका पेपर 120 मार्क्स का होता है ना, कि 1 एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन प्लस यहाँ पे एक इंटरनल ऑप्शन, राइट। तो 1 तो वी राइट ओनली, एथिक्स वी राइट ओनली, फिर 7 वी राइट ओनली। तो अभी बचा कौन सा है? 3, 4, 5, 6। आउट ऑफ दीज 4 यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट एनी 3, because generally short notes we write, ethics we write, question number 1 तो we have to write। तो 3, 4, 5, 6 में से we have to select delete any one। अब यहाँ पे look at the combination, you have done Caro very nicely, you know company audit very nicely। Here also ऐसे का आंसर तुम्हें पता है, Caro का आंसर तुम्हें पता है, बैंक ऑडिट काला या गोरा आपने देखा भी नहीं। You understand now? NBFC also same condition, banking, non-banking, दोनों same condition। Okay, insurance companies again, you had done it ऊपर से, but that question you had not done। And public sector undertaking option। And now you say, पर ये तो आंसर मुझे बहुत अच्छे से आता है, Caro and company audit का। What is the फायदा ना? Because the offer is buy 2 get 2 free। तुम्हें लगता है अरे यार ये 2 कारो, कंपनी ऑडिट, ऐसे कारो, ये 4 क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में होने चाहिए थे, और वो बैंक, एनबीएफसी, इंश्योरेंस, पीएसयू, वो 4 क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में होने चाहिए था। एनीवेज नोबडी हैज आस्क्ड अस कि यू नो कहाँ पे क्या होना चाहिए था, ये ऐसा है। नाउ यू हैव टू राइट इट। अभी हाँ ठीक है, आपको कारो आता है, से क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 के मैं बात कर रही हूं, आपको कारो का आंसर आता है, आपको कंपनी ऑडिट का आंसर आता है। इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी है यू आर गोइंग टू गेट 4 आउट ऑफ 4। थियरी पेपर ना यार, रियलिस्टिक बात करें तो 2, 2.5 आउट ऑफ 4। ज्यादा हवा में बात करके फायदा नहीं, थियरी पेपर है। मैं 3, 3.5 बोलूं तो भी ज्यादा लगेगा। रियलिस्टिक ना यार, हाउ मच? 2 आउट ऑफ 4 मुझे लगता है पकड़ना चाहिए। तो 2, 2.5, तो से यू गेट 4.5। 4.5 आउट ऑफ 16, बिकॉज बैंक एंड एनबीएफसी यू डोंट नो। सो 4 आउट ऑफ 16, तो ऑब्वियसली दिल्ली बहुत दूर है। You understand now? Your attitude towards the subject, you know, the way in which you study the subjects is half of the reason for the failure। जो खुद का दिमाग लगाते हैं, जो एनालिसिस करते हैं, that's one of the reason for failure। You study the entire syllabus, you do writing practice, you attend the class regularly, there is no chance that you would fail। There might be a risk that you may not get 60+, but पास होने का तो टेंशन ही नहीं होना चाहिए। मतलब वो उतना तो रिस्क कवर करना ही है अपने को, मतलब 40+, 50+ तो किधर भी नहीं। That much, you know, that level पे you have to study the subject, and for that your approach should not go wrong। You know, you finish, you couldn't look at the case studies, I didn't get time to look over there, I went, no, that should not। वो जो बोलते हैं ना, जो preparation है subject का, उसमें गड़बड़ हो गया तो again in the exam there is problem over there। Right, so then, you know, that's the reason why on the very first day I tell you the importance of these other chapters also। And एक बार थोड़ा standards वगैरह किया तो you get a hang of what is audit। You understand now? Whatever you have studied in practical life, please leave it outside the classroom when you enter into the classroom। It is of no use over here। Understand? You writing on your own, nothing helps over here। यहाँ पे क्या है ना, you have to start your case studies का answer saying as per। कोई भी आता है ना क्वेश्चन स्टैंडर्ड्स का, कंपनीज एक्ट का, कारो का, टैक्स ऑडिट का, वो फर्स्ट 2 वर्ड्स क्या होता है पता है आंसर में? एज पर। दैट एज पर व्हाट, विच एसे, विच क्लॉज, वेयर, एटलीस्ट एज पर विच चैप्टर, इतना भी समझ गया तो बहुत कम हो गया। व्हेन यू अंडरस्टैंड लुकिंग, कह रही ये इंश्योरेंस कंपनी का क्वेश्चन दिख रहा है तो भी बहुत बड़ा काम हो गया। You understand ना, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन पेपर में लिखा रहता है क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, राइट शॉर्ट नोट्स ऑन सॉल्वेंसी मार्जिन। Now, unless and until you've studied the chapter of insurance company, what you will know कि solvency margin is there in insurance company? यू अंडरस्टैंड ना? तो एटलीस्ट इतना देख के ध्यान में आ गया कि ये इस चैप्टर का, इस ऐसे का, ये टैक्स ऑडिट का दिख रहा है, ये कारो दिख रहा है, तो भी मतलब आपने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. You understand ना? You are on the right track in that case. Okay, right. I expect you to get a 200 pages notebook to the class, है ना? You need to buy a 200 pages notebook. You are supposed to write simultaneously as and when I write. Sometimes I generally, मतलब as and when I write, you may keep on writing. थोड़ा अगर writing नहीं भी हुआ तुम्हारा, मैंने जो लिखा है, तो it is okay. You understand that the importance is on what you say, understanding it, getting into your brains. And sometimes if you find कि नहीं यार ये तो मुझे मेरे बुक में चाहिए ही, so you can tell me, मैडम वो स्लाइड एक बार फिर से दिखाना, I will show it to you. You can write it down, or during the break I can put it over there and we can write. Right? So no negative thoughts, you know, okay, I'm not able to write, I'm not able to. You speak out. You know, whatever problem you have, you speak out in the class. Okay, so 200 pages notebook, plus I expect a little bit of stationery with you. At least 2-3 color pens, red, green, blue, whichever colors you want, and 1 or 2 highlighters, and in addition to that, a few post-its. And that's like, it's not compulsory to get this, but it's in your own, what you say, hit. It's in your own benefit, you know, that you can get these few things to the class. तो कैसे है ना, notes वगैरह में तो post-its वगैरह है, तो immediately वहाँ पे you can put it, highlight कर दिया, तो ऐसा लगना चाहिए ना कि यार हाँ, somebody has studied from this book. You understand ना? Otherwise, after your attempt, after you've cleared, you give the book to your friend. बोले तूने खोली क्या नहीं बुक? बोले अरे खोली थी मैंने. बोले कुछ लग नहीं रहा ऐसा तूने पढ़ाई की है ऐसा. है ना? So you should bring out your book, because only plain black and white मजा नहीं आता है. You understand ना? So you get some colors, you know. So obviously we are not in an art and craft class. Our purpose is not to decorate the book. It's not a scrapbook. बट देन उसका इम्पोर्टेंस आता है, मतलब वो मुझे, आई हैव टोल्ड स्टूडेंट्स ऑलवेज टू डू दिस, तो उनको याद आता है, हाँ वो मैंने बुक में वहाँ रेड कलर के पेन में लिखा था, वो मैंने वहाँ पे वो पोस्टिट लगाया था, वहाँ पे मैंने ऐसे लिखा था. व्हेन यू आर इन्वॉल्व, व्हेन यू डू समथिंग ऑन योर ओन, यू रिमेंबर इट मोर. सो जस्ट लिसनिंग उससे या ज़्यादा. एंड देन उसका और एक बहुत बड़ा फायदा भी है, यू विल नॉट स्लीप व्हेन यू आर बिजी राइटिंग, व्हेन यू आर बिजी कलरिंग, व्हेन यू आर बिजी हाईलाइटिंग. तो there is no scope of sleeping in that case. Okay, right? So we'll start every day at 12:30, around 2:15 or so, 2:15. I'll give you the break, 10-15 minutes break, and then we will go up to 3:30, at least up to 3:30. So that would be the minimum time up to which we go. Okay, right. So any questions? Any questions which you have? I didn't give you a chance to speak only because I only had so much to tell you. But yes.
They told us that we will be getting the notes in the classroom.
Yes, yes. They might be still being in the printer or so. We just finalized them today morning. So they might be on their way. You've taken your admissions, no? Right, so you'll be getting them. I've told them the moment they come in the office, they'll get it in the class. Okay. Right, including the number 16 paper, you know, your book has been completely updated. So we just wait for a few amendments which may come in the RTP or so. But obviously just for 5% we can't delay 95% of our study. But anyways, जो cost audit में change हुआ है, company's amendment bill 2016 is there. All that has been already incorporated. All these standards, as I told you, all the new standards have been put, revised standards have been put. So I keep a margin of 5%, otherwise 95% it has all been updated. Okay, so actually we are yet to go for the formal printing, you know, of the 19th edition. So right now, it's like just as the classes begin, we'll be giving you the spiral binding, which is actually better because of the size of the book. Around 650 pages book. Okay. So that's okay. You understand? Now, how many books you fill for FM and FR and SFM and all, you know? So I think 5-6 तो notebooks ही हो जाते होंगे ना? And then you have practice booklet and वो, and इतना करने के बाद भी बाहर से question आता है. So it's not an easy job now to become a chartered accountant. I agree. I have observed that, you know. I've been teaching this subject since September 2009. I wrote my attempt in November 2008. Then I finished my articleship in July 2009. And since September, I've teaching. So I assume I have seen more attempts than you guys have seen. I've seen more suggested, more RTPs than you guys have seen. Am I right? Have I seen more? I've seen my attempt November 2008. Thankfully, I had to see only one to study for myself. And then after that, I've been teaching every time the paper comes. The day the audit paper is there, your heartbeat goes up, but before yours, mine goes up. I am so worried, what the questions have been asked, what students might have written over there. So I'm like more eager to see the question paper, कि क्या आया था paper में. Okay. Yes? You should go through it. But पढ़ना जरूरी नहीं है. मतलब अभी आपने इसमें से 4-5 चैप्टर कर लिए, तो वो 4-5 चैप्टर 1-2 घंटा टाइम निकाल के उसमें से गो थ्रू करना है. और क्या होगा जब आप प्रैक्टिस मैनुअल देखोगे तो आपको ध्यान में आएगा कि अरे ये तो बुक में अपन ने देखा हुआ है, अरे ये तो बुक में हमने किया हुआ है. But then I will say that it's not that you have to ignore it completely, but it's not that you have to study from it. You have to go through it. तो प्रैक्टिस मैनुअल क्या है ना, यू गेट टू सी इट फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट बुक, तो इट्स ऑलवेज बेटर थोड़ा 1-2 जगह से देखा तो. बट इफ यू लुक एट द बुक, ऑल दी RTPs, मतलब क्वेश्चन कितने बार इट हैज कम इन दी RTP, सजेस्टेड विद द मार्क्स, एवरीथिंग हैज बीन गिवन इन दिस बुक, एटलीस्ट फॉर द लास्ट 10 attempts. We have like old questions like since 93 also in this book, 1993 का questions, May 2000 का question, November 2000 का question. So all the changes which have come in the module incorporated. Like this book 3 times before the exam is what is at least you should do for the subject. And then if you go through, you may go through practice manual and one more thing, that is RTP May 17. That's it. Rest, nothing is required. And वो तो मैं आपको बहुत सारा brain washing, how to study the subject, what practice you have to do, what should be your approach, वो तो I can't stop myself from telling you all those things, so I will be telling you all that. Yes, anything else? If you want, I will. I have no problem. But what I have seen is a very poor response to the tests. And earlier, when I used to started teaching IPCC audit also, for them though I used to take surprise test. मतलब ऐसे ही, I am teaching in the class and then I used to tell them कि अभी book बंद करो, अभी आपको test लिखना है. But फिर मैंने बंद कर दिया, क्योंकि the results are so surprising. You start feeling bad. So then I start taking, what do you say, pre-informed tests, okay, tomorrow is your test, chapter 1.
The students are really surprised by the surprise.
And I am surprised by looking at the answer sheet. Okay, this is not what I have taught you in the class. What are you writing? But then we can take a test. We catch so much of speed in the class, we are so busy studying the standards, ethics, karo, we are very much preoccupied because itna sara volume of studies which we have. Okay, right, so anything else? When is your attempt? November 2017 is your first and last attempt, right? Okay. May 17, no problem. Rather, I can say it is late.
Okay.
I would say that. Had I been at your place, I would have done the class at the earliest possible. Once you clear your IPCC, the day you get your result, that's the right time to start with CA final classes, for any subject for that matter. You can't wait, yaar. Now it is what, November 2016? No, by the time you finish your classes, November, Jan and so, December, all other classes, then that much time you get for self-study. So, no ways. मतलब मेरा तो अटेम्प्ट नवंबर 2008 में था, मैंने अगस्त 2006 जैसे ही IPCC का रिजल्ट आ गया, I started with accounts, FR है ना, FR SFM batch immediately of final in 2006. So when like that time also our faculties used to ask us, when is your attempt? So my hand used to be never up. Because 2006 में I was doing class and my attempt was in 2008. बट यू नो फिर वो जब स्टडी का जो लीव मिलता है फिर उसमें क्लास का जनरली रखने का नहीं, आने जाने का, गिवन एन ऑप्शन. फिर वो क्लास जाने के पहले आधा घंटा, बाद में आधा घंटा. तो उससे अच्छा वो 4.5 months की जो पढ़ाई होती है ना, दैट टाइम जितना हो सके यू शुड नॉट कीप एनी क्लासेस. तो जितना अभी कर सकते हो, अभी भले दिन में 14 घंटे क्लास करना पड़े तो यू नो ऐसा डोंट पैम्पर योर सेल्फ बाय सेइंग कि नहीं इतना क्लासेस एक साथ किया तो हाउ विल आई रिमेंबर. ओ कुछ नहीं होता है, कुछ नहीं होता है तुम लोगों को. इट्स नथिंग हैपेंस टू यू. यू डोंट पैम्पर योर सेल्फ. मॉर्निंग 6:30 टू रात को 9:30 को क्लास किया, नथिंग विल हैपन टू यू. यू विल बिकम अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट अर्ली. दैट्स द ओनली थिंग विच विल हैपन. बच्चे बोल मैडम एक दिन में इतना क्लास किया फिर समझेगा कैसे. तुमको ऐसे भी अलग अलग करके थोड़ी ज्यादा थोड़ी समझने वाला है. जिसका जितना कैपेसिटी उतना ही समझने वाला है. तो ये तो सब बहाने हैं, मतलब यू नो इट्स ऑल बहानेबाजी. तो फिर वो भी एक होता है ना, एक ग्रुप लिखे या 2 ग्रुप लिखे, दोनों ग्रुप लिखना है, 3 ग्रुप रहे तो तीनों लिख देने का. दैट्स ऑलवेज बेटर. यू नो वो सीजन होता है. Like if your attempt is in May 17, na, when you start in Jan, that time, nahi, I'm going to write both groups. That time, that's the spirit. Then same person, if you meet in March, February end or March, no, I'm focusing more on group 1. Group 2, I'm just going to come and sit and come. Then if you meet that same person by April, no, I've decided now not to write group 2. I'm going to focus only on group 1. Then end of April, ग्रुप 1 का भी नहीं हुआ रे अभी तक. ये मेरे फिक्स्ड पैटर्न है जो मैंने देखा है. ये फिक्स्ड पैटर्न है. दैट वाज द, वो बोलते हैं ना लाइफ साइकिल, द स्टेजेस, दीज आर द स्टेजेस विच दे गो. तो ऐसा होता है ना, ऐसा होता है ना. फॉर्म भरते वक्त भी फिर बोलते नहीं भरा तो है मैंने दोनों ग्रुप का फॉर्म, ऐसा दिल से है मेरा. लॉ में तो एग्जाम्शन है तो मुझे 3 ही सब्जेक्ट करना है. फिर ग्रुप 2 का क्लास मेरा अभी हुआ है. स्टोरी यार, यू किधर टाइम किधर है. पढ़ाई बस 14 hours ऑफ स्टडी एवरी डे मिनिमम पर डे, हाँ, नॉट पर वीक. है ना, ठीक है. यस, तो व्हाट एल्स. सो यू आर नॉट एट ऑल अर्ली. If you are late, okay, for doing the class. Yes, anything else? Okay, right, so with that, let's start with the first standard, that's SA 200, right, SA 200, which is on the, what is the title of, what is SA? Standard on Auditing. Yes, overall objectives of the independent auditor and the conduct of an audit in accordance with the standards on auditing. Overall objectives of the independent auditor and the